Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today what I wanted to share with you is a quick and simple recipe for quinoa salad. It serves great as a side dish and can be made into a main dish by incorporating some protein. Hope you enjoy. There are a few ingredients you will need for this that are pretty basic. You'll need chopped onion, chopped bell pepper, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, vegetable broth, rinsed quinoa, smashed garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. All of the ingredient quantities will be in the description box below. First, take your vegetable broth and pour it into a medium-sized pot. Add your smashed garlic and bring the liquid to a boil. Once it reaches a boil, add your pre-rinsed quinoa. Cover and bring the temperature down to low heat. We'll let this simmer on low for 15 to 20 minutes. The quinoa is ready when you see that it's nice and fluffy. In a large bowl, combine the quinoa, then add your onion and bell pepper. And season with salt and pepper to taste. Then mix until well combined. Next, add all of your wet ingredients into the mixture. Then mix until well combined. This dish is great as a side salad for baked salmon or chicken, or you can even just eat it on its own. I like to eat it that way a lot. You can serve it warm or cold, and it should last in the fridge for about a week. All right, now I'm gonna have my brother try it because he's the best taste tester. All right, go ahead. Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Pretty good.
All right. I hope you guys enjoy this simple and delicious recipe. Let me know how it turns out in the comment section below if you guys give it a try. And let me know of other recipes that you guys want me to experiment with. See you guys in the next one.